Oh my god!
How about that, Ioan? What's it like in there?
We have a split personality straight away.
Wow. So,
It's a huge junction, very wide.
so we're in a really cool mine here. We've got some cool artifacts.
Got to try and find them, haven't we? It's been a long time
Yes.
in here.
I don't know if we recorded this mine. Oh no, I can't remember.
So we're gonna show everyone what's here. We've got a nice big wide junction here. Which way do you want to start off?
I don't know.
They both look tempting.
Hey, Lois.
Hello.
Left or right?
Right.
We're going right then.
Right.
Oh.
This looks like a sticking tin, because look at the clay in there. That looks like sticking, doesn't it?
It does, it really does.
Probably a sticking tin, I'd
You can see
imagine.
finger marks in there.
Yeah.
What's this for? That's not part of it, surely.
No, that looks like either a needle or a scraper or something.
Look at the finger marks in there.
Yeah.
Oh look, shovel next to
Shovel
it.
next to it.
Very nice.
Ah, right off the bat as well, right inside the entrance. So this is a wheelbarrow level, isn't it? Look at this. It's
Definitely, as you can
nice,
see it.
clear wheelbarrow right all the way down that floor. That's a very well defined one. And no movement of air, so this doesn't hit the surface, there's no ventilation, winzes or shafts or anything. Just a trial, trying to find something that wasn't there.
Try and find the load.
This one dates from the 1830s. However, it has been extended at a later date because these crates were generally for carrying dynamite, and dynamite wasn't invented until 1872, or 4, so 2 or 4. So clearly it was extended after the 1830s as well. The shot holes might be able to give us a hint. Okay, so we're still in the old bit then.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, and look at this one. It still has a sticking. It still has a sticking in the shot hole. That would stop the blast from blowing out of the hole into your face. So that's clear they were using dynamite, because that's a det tin, isn't it? So that's clear they were using detonators equals dynamite or gelignite. And look next to it, and we have what looks like the old warning card that came with it.
Look what I've just found. You can see that thumb.
Oh wow, that's a nice one.
That's a beaut, isn't it?
Yeah. So do you reckon that's for a tallow candle, or is that a lump of sticking? Yeah, hard to tell, isn't
I'm
it?
going sticking.
Yeah, because there's no clear place to put the candle, is there?
So possibly 190 years old.
Wow. There's a nice little alcove area there. So this is where miners would have either sat down for their lunch, or you would have often had miners sat there counting the amount of wheelbarrows, in this case, that were being pushed past.
I reckon it's that here. Look at the amount of tallow candle marks.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Well lit the place.
It is, isn't it? And there's a nice convenient little seat here on the rock.
What do you reckon that is?
Now it looks to me like a tallow candle.
Sure is.
Or the remains of one.
100%. My eyeballs are peeled.
I know, right? You're just looking in all directions because we know there's things here. I just can't remember where.
It's a beautiful little mine as well.
It's quite primitive in that it's quite long and they haven't put a tramway in here. But then we have seen others like that. So
Well, it's like stepping back in time because we're finding their things like we just left them here and just
yeah,
never came back, you know.
it's a bit of a time capsule. This one.
This one is for sure. For sure.
Did I hear Hessian sack?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Just about make the weave out.
There it is. So normally Hessian sacks were used to bag up the clean ore after the dressing process, but they would have used those sacks to carry, provisions, food, pretty much anything, because there were so many of them hanging around. They would use those. Yeah, there's little things to see all over the place in here. You look very thoughtful up there.
Yeah, very. I just see how small these shot holes are. They're tiny. Your finger can barely fit in them, you know?
Oh, they are too, aren't they? That is tiny. Yeah. Oh well. So yeah, that's definitely pre-dynamite, that one. We're still in the old part of the mine for sure.
I think we are.
For once I actually found a tallow candle.
Yeah, it's quite rare. You never usually come across them.
You have the candle eye normally.
And that one's never been used.
Nope.
You can see the tip of the fuse. It's not black. There's no black above it.
Yeah.
Let's keep on going, shall we?
Yeah.
Look at this wall here. Look at it.
Oh, that's lovely. So that there, this is interesting because this here, this is the bedding plane that we usually see, that line there, that's the layer of rock. This is actually called the cleavage. This runs almost perpendicular to the bedding plane, and they've used this cleavage, as it's called, to facilitate driving the level, less explosives, because you've got a natural plane there to work on. But normally they use a bedding plane. It just so happened to be that this was heading in the right direction this time.
Here we go. Look, some stemming with the finger marks,
Yeah.
and then a shot hole through the.
Oh, cool.
That's cool. Oh, there's a lovely wall here, lovely hanging wall. Look at that.
Oh, so there is, yeah.
That's a beaut, that is.
Wow. All of these shot holes are still full of stemming.
They are.
Still full of sticking, yeah.
Didn't go off very well, did they?
Yeah.
Look, there's more finger marks here, look.
They're everywhere in here. Wow. Yeah, there's that.
There's that hanging wall.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, here we go. We've got both. Look, this
What
is
have we
cool.
got?
We've got bedding on the roof and we've got cleavage on the side. Look.
Yes.
That's quite unusual, actually. There you've got the bedding plane, and there it is again. And then we've got.
Do you know, I've not seen this before like that.
I don't think I ever have, actually. No.
Hey, Ioan. What do you reckon that is?
Oh God, here we go. Shall I say it?
Go on.
That is actually called a rammer.
Yeah, a very fine rammer, as you usually put it.
There we go.
Shame it's broken.
Yeah, this is a hammering end right there.
That's it.
The gunpowder is packed tightly at the back, and then obviously a sticking then follows. Poke a little hole in it with a needle, and then in goes the fuse.
And then light it and run.
Light it and run.
Here's some of the load, but there's nothing in it.
Oh, okay. So they found something then, yeah.
Oh, we've come to the end.
Ah.
Nice wall of deads.
Yeah, look, just coming into the load here, there's big old strings of quartz coming up the wall. Look at that.
I've just spotted something interesting.
Mm.
We followed all those tiny shot holes all the way in.
Yes.
We get to the end. Look at the size of that one.
Aha, this is where we're talking dynamite.
And that's been drilled.
That has been drilled. And you know what? Look at this chamber. There's actually a little chamber here. I'd go so far as to say that was a core. That they've taken core samples there.
Yeah,
They've had a drill rig in here, and they've taken. Because look at that. That is a borehole.
That's a ball for
Yeah,
sure.
that's not a shot hole. That's a borehole.
That's a shot hole over here.
Yes.
Where did I just see one now? There. That's
there.
a shot hole.
See, what I think is, look, here we are, just coming into the load here. There's
Yeah.
strings, and there's even lead ore in that.
Oh,
Strings
yeah,
and
look at
strings
that.
and strings of vein material. They've taken some, instead of driving the whole level further, they've just driven this little borehole further. It's in line with the level, see?
Makes sense.
So they'll take core samples, clearly there wasn't enough ore there, and they didn't bother driving the level any further. But I think that's what that is. And look at that.
What have we got, Lois?
Drill cores. I rest my case.
Right on cue.
I rest my case.
No way.
Yes.
That's the first time I've ever seen them.
Drill cores. And if we take one of them, that is the size of the drill bit that was used.
That would be the centre of the drill
That's
bit.
the centre of the drill bit. And then they come out.
There you go. That's
And
probably
the-
come out of there.
Absolutely, 100%.
You got eyes like a hawk, Lois.
That's why I'm always miles behind.
Yes.
Whereabouts were they? Just on the floor over
Just
there?
on the floor on the way out.
Right.
Just on the right hand
There's
side.
tin here.
Oh, yeah.
Modern
That's
enough.
probably dynamite, I reckon, looking at that. Yeah, that's going to be explosives.
Probably a bench
Mm-hmm.
or something. Let's go down the other one.
Oh, yeah, there's another one.
We're going to head out. I
What in
think.
the world is this?
What have you got?
It's wood, but what would that have been used for?
But look how smooth it is.
Yeah. It's like a handle for like a saw or
Does
something.
it look like it's been carved or
Yeah.
wire or rope's been rubbing over
It's
it?
kind of aesthetically.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah. Is it like a handle or something? I have no idea. Buy some fuse anyway.
There's some fuse. Look at that.
And there's some more there as well, yeah. So yeah, that's what it is. They've driven the level this far, then decided, okay, we're not going to drive it any further. Let's just drill one borehole and see if there's anything there. And then there wasn't anything there. So
I wonder how far that borehole goes in. Can you see all the way down there? Let's have one more last look.
do we have a? We need a stick. Oh, hang on.
Here we go.
Let's use one of them.
There's a piece of metal there.
Goes a long way.
It goes.
Should come back with a tape measure. Stick it down.
Be interesting.
Yeah.
Water's coming out of it.
Yeah.
Look at Lois has just found.
Ooh.
It's hobnail blueprints.
Hobnail.
Yeah. Booty printies.
Hobnail, heel,
There's a blueprint. Look at that.
keep the heel.
And look at that. There's a match next to it, on the right.
Oh yes.
And
This
how old it
is, this is where I found those cores. So
Ah.
More blueprints.
So obviously the barren bits of core, they've just chucked them on the floor.
There's the core.
I don't usually rhyme, but that did, and I'm really proud of that.
well done.
Random bits of core, they just chuck them on the floor.
And there's
See?
a lot of finger marks in this here as well. A place of activity.
I would know
here.
that you're a poet.
I'm a mind poet now.
So, tiny shot holes again.
Yeah. I reckon that the dynamite and all that was just in that bit at the end, because this is all old.
Yes.
It was just that little chamber to fit the drill, build up the drill rig in there, and then off you go, and then that was it. It was just a brief reopening.
Let's go now. Look at the other one now.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's some more. More.
More core.
Core there.
Yes.
Johan's getting excited.
No, it's another counter. Oh my god!
How about that, Johan?
We've only ever seen one of those, and that was in you know what mine?
5, 6, 7.
Mate, look
And
at
the
that.
peg is still in
The
it.
peg's in it as well. That's a counter to count the amount of wheelbarrows going by.
How about that?
Oh man.
I wish we caught your initial reaction there.
Yeah, I started screaming early that time.
Wow, that's a beauty, that is.
But we found one more like
We
that,
have.
and that's the only one I've ever seen until right
The
now.
one we found before is in pristine condition.
Yes.
That's kind of washed away a bit.
It has, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I am photographing this to hide.
That's a beauty, that is.
Wowee, that deserves a wowee, that one.
Or your famous one, Christ on a bike.
And it even has a stick on it as well, yeah.
Look at that. Bit some excitement out of your voice
Oh,
then.
I'm having a ball here. First that and now this.
Oh my god.
Check out those.
Well, it's picking it up. But look at those initials. H-E in the middle there. T-W and A-O.
And that O has a weird kind of... Turn your torch off? Yeah, turn your torch off for a second. There we go. T-W, A-O and H-E. That H-E is absolutely sublime. Look at the serifs on that.
That's amazing.
That is amazing. And the A-O, the O has a weird sort of finial on the top of it, for want of a better word.
It'd be cool to trace them, wouldn't it?
Wow.
How about that? Huh?
I'm still gawping at that tally marker back there.
That's something else too.
How intricate they are. Like, put your little finger next to that H there, show everyone how small it is. Yeah, look at how small they are.
Look how beautifully carved.
Yeah, every little serif on that E and that H. And the A, well, and everything.
All alphabetical letters.
So, let's say Thomas Williams. Don't know any H's. Hev
Evans or something?
Yeah, probably Evans, I'd imagine.
Yeah.
A.O. Arwell something.
Welsh surname with an O. Owen.
Owen, yeah, Owen, must be.
Oshan. Beauty there.
This mine is full of little hidden treasures.
And we've got another level to go yet. What have you found again, Johan?
It's the mine that keeps on giving. Look, we've got witch marks now.
See if we can pick it up.
So turn that off for a sec.
Oh, look at them.
So we've got 3 daisy wheels. and they were used very commonly in the area by anyone really in houses, to keep away the bad spirits. So those are 3 in a triangle, very nice daisy wheels, just etched in the mud, not carved or anything. 150
Bonkers,
plus
isn't
years
it?
ago.
It's bonkers, this level.
It's got everything. We've got the tally, we've got this, we've got the engravings.
I was looking at this earlier and I couldn't figure out what it was.
It took me a few minutes, right? It took me a few seconds, but I was like, yeah. Because they don't have the petals that daisy wheels normally have, but in other houses in this area, I've seen the exact same thing. So it's obviously just there's one way of doing it, isn't it?
Amazing. Anyway.
One more level to go.
Yes, God knows what's down there. Let's go and have a look. Hey guys, we have another level.
Last level. Let's see what's down this
Look,
way.
there's something there already.
Well, first of all, before we're in the water, look at that wheelbarrow rust in the water. Before we cloud it all up.
There it is, the
Very
colour's picking
clear.
up. Look at that. Oh,
Wow.
I've clouded it up. It's there.
Very clear.
There's the wheelbarrow rut. And it takes you straight over to, what is this?
That is a dynamite tin, and it even has a stick of dynamite next to it.
But there it is, yeah.
There it is.
Look at that. There it is, folks.
And there's the lid.
Calcified it has.
Yeah, that's isn't it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a little tin there. There's the handle.
I can see it now.
Yeah.
It's a different type to what I'm used to seeing.
That's right. This is a lid, square
it.
lid, goes in on the top there. That's this side. And you carry it like a little tin.
They do, yeah. This mine does keep on giving, doesn't it?
Yeah. There's stuff everywhere.
Look at the dust in here on the walls from when they've been blasted in.
Yeah, and what does that tell us? This is dynamite territory once again.
Yes, it
because they were using pneumatic drills. That's when you see all this dust. And when they were using drills, real drills. So if we find a shot hole here,
Look how dusty this one is.
yeah, this has got drills written all over it.
For sure.
I'd like to see a shot hole though, just to confirm.
Can't see one.
No.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, right, okay. Just a little trial.
That's it.
I'll bet that this was driven using drills at that last stage. Yeah,
There's
here's
some-
one.
Yeah, here's one there too.
Yeah, they're much bigger. There's 2 fingers wide instead of 1. So these are machine driven. Hence all the dust.
How about that, folks?
Wow.
What a beautiful mine. It's like a mini museum.
It is, isn't it?
You enjoy that, Lois? How about that? What a wonderful mine that was.
I'm still getting over those artifacts. That counter.
Your voice went high pitched, but it didn't have the camera on. I don't know when I found
Yeah, you
that
missed me
counter.
that time.
Oh wow, amazing.
That was.
Amazing. A big thanks again to everyone subscribing to our channel, support us. All the ones who watch our videos who are not subscribed, please subscribe and support us along the way. We love doing what we're doing, sharing the history and showing it to everyone.
Plenty more where this came from, isn't
Oh,
it?
loads.
Many mines on the agenda, the itinerary for the next 2 weeks.
So much to explore, haven't we?
And even places like this where we've been here a long time ago and we still find more stuff because over time we just see different things, you look in different places, there's so much history here. So we're going to go off and try and find another one now, aren't we?
We are, yeah. All the best to you.
See you soon, ciao for now.